Good morning, viewers. I am happy to introduce to you Mr. Bala Krishna Morti. He is 65 years old. He is an ex-army veteran. He has been suffering from right shoulder pain for a few years now. He was scheduled to have a shoulder replacement, but he wanted to try a non-operative treatment before he undertook the shoulder replacement. He came to me and I have injected Platelet Rich Stroma into the right shoulder. So I'm going to introduce you to Mr. Bala, and we will hear from him. Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
Very fine, doctor.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. It's been 5 days since my procedure.
Yeah. And how was the procedure?
So the procedure was done under local anesthesia.
Yeah.
You kept me apprised of what was going on all the time.
Yeah.
You showed me on the screen the dye going into my shoulder.
Yeah.
And told me where exactly the stroma and the mixture was going to go.
Yeah. So you saw the shoulder joint outlined on the screen, fluoroscopy under X-ray control. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you could see that. And then the other parts, of course, you couldn't see. In the other parts, I took fat from your thigh. I took blood from your arm, mixed it and made SVF and PRP to make SPRS. I injected that now. It's nearly 1 week now. Last Saturday we did it. And how are you feeling? Can you just move your shoulder and show us the range of movement?
Yeah, I have pretty good range of motion. I can move my hands pretty well. I mean, there's always been pain and soreness, but I think there's marginal difference now after 1 week. Okay. I have a good range of motion.
Okay. All the best, sir. Speedy recovery. Please do keep me posted about your progress, sir. Thank you very much for your treatment.
Thank you, doctor.